Hi everyone, in this video we will show you how to read the Robinhood options chain. First, open the Robinhood app on your phone and sign in to your account. Now tap the search icon and search for the stock, ETF, or index whose options chain you want to view. Select the asset from the search results to open its details page. Here tap Trade, then tap Trade Options. You will now see the options chain for that stock, ETF, or index. At the top of the screen, you'll find the expiration dates. These are the dates when the option contracts expire. You can scroll left or right to view expiration dates further into the future. Once you select an expiration date, you'll see a list of strike prices. Strike prices are displayed from high to low, and you can scroll up or down to view more contracts. On the left side, you'll find call options. Call options generally increase in value when the stock price rises. On the right side, you'll find put options. Put options generally increase in value when the stock price falls. Next to each contract, you'll see the option premium. This is the current price of the option contract. You'll also see the percentage change, which shows how much the option's value has increased or decreased during the current trading day. Tap on any option contract to view more details. Here you can see the bid price and ask price. The bid price is what buyers are currently willing to pay. The ask price is what sellers are currently asking for the contract. You'll also find the mark price, which is usually the midpoint between the bid and ask prices. Robinhood may use this value to estimate the current contract value. Further down, you'll see the break-even price. This shows where the underlying stock would need to trade at expiration for the option to break, even based on the premium paid. You may also see the break-even percentage, which shows how much the stock would need to move to reach that break-even point. Another useful metric is the chance of profit percentage. This estimates the probability of the option being profitable at expiration based on current market conditions. Before placing any trade, review the expiration date, strike price, premium, break-even point, and chance of profit carefully. Understanding these numbers can help you make better options trading decisions. If this video helped you out, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.